pot for my coconut rice. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cover the frying pan. Alright guys, I have my garlic and my scallion. Welcome back guys to the Greens Family Lifestyle TV.
You don't like the video yet?
And if you're new to the channel guys, welcome aboard. And please remember to like, subscribe and share the video. In today's video guys, we have 2 pounds of chicken and we're gonna have it curried. So first and foremost guys, we want to get our seasoning on it. And here I'm adding some Maggi. And then I'm gonna go ahead with some black pepper. And then I have my chicken season guys. I'm gonna go ahead and use some chicken season.
You don't like the video yet?
Then I have my better pack curry guys. For now I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons because remember it's curry guys, so we have to make sure we have enough curry. And then guys, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. As you see, I'm using the iodized salt guys. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of the iodized salt. And then guys, I'm gonna have it all mixed in. And I'm using a spoon guys. You guys could use gloves, you guys could use your natural hands. But I think the natural hands is better because at that point you will know when to wash your hands before touching the other stuffs. As you can see guys, the curry is rich on it because we are making curry and we have to make sure the curry stand out because that's the main ingredients guys. Alright guys, so for now I'm gonna let this marinate for a good 10 minutes guys, so stay tuned.
You don't like the video yet?
And guys, these are my natural seasoning. I have onion, red pepper, carrots, green pepper, garlic, and I'm using a sweet potato today. And I have my scallion. So guys, I'm gonna have them all washed, clean up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and have them cut up. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, I did go ahead and have my natural season washed and clean. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting up my natural seasoning. As you can see, I'm cutting up my onion. Alright, we want to push that to the side. So now we're gonna go for a carrot guys. I'm gonna cut it in 2. I'm gonna cut it in 2 guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and have them cut like that guys. Alright, I have a next half. And guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we're gonna have the curry chicken, guys, served with coconut rice. So now, guys, I'm gonna do my escallion. Right, so now we're gonna
You don't like the video yet?
go to our red pepper. I'm gonna do like this, guys. I'm gonna do some slices. All right, guys. So now I have my green pepper. And then I have my garlic, guys. I'm gonna cut up only 2. And then the next 2, I'm gonna save it for my oil. Alright, guys, I finished cutting up my natural seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the frying pan on the fire. Alright, guys, as you see, I have my frying pan on the fire. As you see, I have my cooking oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil to the frying pan. And guys, as you see, I'm gonna add some curry. Then I'm gonna add my garlic, guys. For the curry, guys, you just want to make sure it's evenly distributed throughout the frying pan. So we're gonna let the curry fried out for about good 2-3 minutes, guys. So stay tuned.
You don't like the video yet?
Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my chicken. And I'm putting everything all at once, guys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cover the frying pan and let it cook for 5 minutes, and then I do a stir. So stay tuned, guys, while I have my vegetables placed in the plate in the dish so I could place it with the curry. Alright, guys, let's check on the chicken. So we're just gonna do a simple turn, guys. They're not cookers yet. We're just gonna turn them, then we add our seasoning, which is natural seasoning. And then we add water. And then we have it covered. Alright, guys, stay tuned while I have the natural season placed in the pot.
You don't like the video yet?
Alright, guys, here goes my natural seasoning. And as you see, guys, I have carrot, sweet pepper, onion, garlic, scallion. And then now, guys, I'm going to add the flavored water that the chicken was being seasoned from. As you can see, guys, the color is pretty much vibrant. The curry is rich. So we just want to evenly distribute the season throughout the chicken. Alright guys. So now I'm gonna have it covered and have it cooked for 20 to 25 minutes, guys. Alright guys, as you can see, I have the pot for my coconut rice. I'm getting in my coconut milk now, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I have my garlic and my scallion. Then I'm gonna add my salt. I'm gonna add my salt, guys. So you add salt to taste. And then guys, I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm adding my cups of water. So then I'll just go ahead and cover and let cook for 8 minutes. Alright guys, I'm gonna have it covered. And then I'm gonna go ahead and have my rice wash. Guys, as you see, I'm adding my rice now. This is the time I add my rice, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a stir. And then and guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. So I'm gonna let it steam, guys. When it reaches the boiling point, I'll bring the fire to low heat and let it steam. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, check in on the progress of the curry chicken. So guys, I did go ahead and slice and clean my potato. So this is the time I would add it to my curry, guys. Make sure it's not overcooked, because guys, the potato, it's like a thickening agent. So I don't want it to be thickened by the potato, because I already measure everything correctly. So as you can see, guys, that's the texture of the gravy. And guys, this is one rich, lovely curry chicken. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna see you when I'm ready to have the food plated. And please do remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys.
You don't like the video yet?
Alright guys, there you have it. That's the finished meal, which I did go ahead and plate it. As you see, this is the curry chicken. Really rich, guys. As you can see, it's very detailed, and we have the coconut rice on the side. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test for you guys, because this coconut rice, guys, is popping. Alright. That gravy with the rice stand out, guys. That gravy is delicious.
And presentation nice.
Guys, it was written, by the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread. So guys, do like, share, and comment, and subscribe, guys. And stay tuned for more epic video. Peace out.